Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are starting with the exercise 6.1 of chapter probability. In this exercise, we are going to see the sample space for an experiment. So, 16.1 exercise is in each of the following exercise 1 to 7, describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. The question number 1 is, a coin is tossed 3 times. So students, we know that for a coin we have two outcomes, that is head and tail. And the total number of outcomes is always given by the number of face to the power it has been tossed. So here the faces are 2 and it has been tossed for 3 times. So 2 raised to power 3, that is 8. So that means our sample space must contain 8 events. So events could be all the time head came, on the first 2 head came then tail, then it could be first head then tail then head, or head again tail tail, or it could be tail head head, it could be tail head tail, tail tail head, and all the 3 tails. So likewise we will be writing our sample space by fixing our tail or head once. Suppose we have fixed that all the 3 head comes, that is only one outcome. We have fixed one tail, so it has 3 places to come. It can come in first, it can come in second, or it can be appear at the last. Similarly for the 2 tails, last one is the all 3 tails. Likewise we will complete our sample space. Next, the second question is, a die is thrown 2 times. Students, we know that the total outcomes in case of a die are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. That is total 6 outcomes. So that means it has 6 faces. And how many times we have thrown it? Twice. That is 6 raised to power 2. So total outcomes should be 36. Now how to write its total outcomes? Students, we will write its total outcomes by fixing one point. Suppose we have fixed 1 on the first throw. So in the second throw it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, suppose 2 comes on the first throw. So 2 could come with 1, 2, 3, 4, again 6 cases. So likewise we will make 6 6 are 36 cases for the sample space. Next, the third case is, a coin is tossed for 4 times. Again, a coin has 2 faces, and how many times it has been tossed? 3 times. So our total outcomes will be given by 2 raised to power 4, that is 16. So how we are going to write its sample space? Again, first fixing all the heads, then 3 heads together. That means one tail can take first position, second position, third position, or the fourth position. Similarly with the 2 heads, or you can say 2 tails, both will be the same cases. And next will be with the 3 tails, and last one is the all 4 tails. So likewise we will be writing our sample space, which will contain 16 events. Now next, the fourth case is, a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. So for a coin we are having 2 outcomes, and for a die we are having 6 outcomes. So that means with the head all the 6 possible outcomes of the die can come. Similarly for the tail also, with one tail all the 6 possible outcomes of the die can come. So that means 6 plus 6 total outcomes will be 12. So likewise we'll be writing the sample space. Question number 5 is, a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. So that means whenever head comes on the coin, then only we will toss a, or we can roll a die. So here we know that the possible outcomes for a coin are head and tail. But we are going to do the same only when the head will come. So head can come with 1, head can come with 2, head can come with 3, head can come with 4, 5 or 6. So that means our sample space will contain 6 outcomes. So students, likewise you can solve the remaining questions of this exercise. Students, in the next exercise we will be practicing exercise 16.2. By that time, just revise this exercise 6.1 thoroughly.
That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class. And if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.